Hey everybody, and welcome back to Kim's Insurance Corner. I'm Megan and this is Kim. Since September is Life Insurance Awareness Month, I thought we could dig a little deeper into life insurance with this video. So can you tell me, I know that there are 3 different types of life insurance. Can you tell me about term first?
Sure. So term insurance is the way that you're going to get the most benefit for your dollar. So you don't pay as much, but you get more insurance. But the problem with term insurance is that it's only for a term. Mm-hmm. So it may be a 10-year policy, maybe a 20-year policy, maybe even a 30-year policy. So a lot of people use them to maybe pay for a mortgage, if something were to happen to them while they had a mortgage. But it doesn't last your whole life. Once it meets the end of that term, the price really accelerates. So it's not meant for your whole life.
Okay, so that brings us to what is whole life,
right? So whole life is exactly what it sounds like. It is meant to last your whole life. It's more expensive than term, but it has a savings component. It can be used as an investment tool. You can even borrow against it.
Awesome. Yeah. So what's universal life?
Universal life is a hybrid between whole life and term. So it doesn't cost as much as whole life, but has some of the benefits. You may be able to borrow against it. So it's a valuable tool.
So which one do you think I should buy?
Well, that would be something that we should sit down and talk about, because like we talked about in the first video, your goals are different than my goals. I'm a lot older than you, so I would need different life insurance than you need. So it's a good idea to sit down with a licensed professional and just talk about what your financial goals are before you would choose.
Okay. So I thought I heard you talking with our financial specialist about using life insurance while you're still alive. Can you talk to me about that?
Yeah, there is a really cool feature on most life insurance policies called an accelerated death benefit, where if you are diagnosed with a terminal illness, you can actually use part of your life insurance while you're still alive. So let's just say that there is some experimental treatment that you want to try in Mexico and your health insurance won't pay for it. You can use your life insurance for that. Or you say, hey, I just want to take my family on a wonderful vacation while I'm still feeling well enough to, create some lasting memories. You can use part of your life insurance towards that if you have this rider on your policy.
That's amazing. That's really great. So is there any way else you can use it while you're still living?
Yeah, there's another rider that I really, really like, and it's called the chronic care rider. So if you needed long-term care for any reason, you may be able to use your life insurance for that as well. And with people living longer, and a lot of times with technology, they're living with more disabilities and need more care. Long-term care insurance has become a real concern for people. And a lot of people are finding that it's just cost prohibitive to have that kind of insurance. But with a long-term care rider, it can at least ease that situation for you.
Okay, so I have life insurance. What would be the benefit of me sitting down and talking to someone?
So it's always a good idea to have a second look at anything, but especially when it comes to life insurance, because a lot of times we find that people don't have what they think they had. And that can be a problem, or their needs have changed. So what was good for them a couple of years ago is no longer good for them now. So we have on staff, we are all licensed to sell life insurance. And we also have a financial specialist on staff who's been in the industry for 30 years. So if we need to, we can sit down with Jim and we can talk about things. And here at the agency, it's an added benefit to being one of our clients, or even if you're not one of our clients, we would sit down with you and review your life insurance, and there's no charge for that. We'll just sit down and talk about what your needs are. So thanks so much for having this conversation with me, Megan. Please reach out to us at the Roos Agency at Allstate. So it's 724-759-2249. Thanks so much for being here.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.